Ready to stream millions of songs with Apple Music? Here's how to set it up on your iPhone in just a few steps. Like and subscribe for more iPhone how-tos and music tips. First, open the Music app on your iPhone. If it's your first time, you'll see a welcome screen. Tap Try It Free or Start Free Trial to begin. Choose a plan that fits you, individual, family, or student. Sign in with your Apple ID and confirm your subscription with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Once subscribed, you can start exploring. Browse new releases in Listen Now. Search for any song or artist in search. Save your favorites to your library. Download songs for offline listening. If you already have an Apple Music subscription, just open the Music app and sign in. You're good to go. That's it. Apple Music is now ready on your iPhone. Like and subscribe for more iOS tips and music hacks.